Today's lesson is adverb clause in the complex sentence. We know that complex sentence can be constructed in three different ways: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. And today's matter of discussion is adverb clause. First of all, you may note down that a clause that acts as an adverb is called an adverb clause. Then what are the functions of adverb clause? Please write down. There are 9 functions. Number A, adverb clause of time. B, adverb clause of place. C, adverb clause of manner. D, adverb clause of reason. E, adverb clause of result. Then adverb clause of comparison. Then adverb clause of contrast. Then adverb clause of condition. Then adverb clause of purpose. And then adverb clause of result or consequences. Then I am repeating: adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of comparison, and adverb clause of contrast. And let us first discuss adverb clause of time. I am saying some sentences, just follow. There must be mention of time, but there is no particular time. It will suggest duration or any other time, but it will not suggest any specific time. For example, number 1, the plant stopped feeding when it was seeded. It is from Aldous Huxley's Bose Institute. I am repeating the sentence. The plant stopped feeding when it was seeded. Then let us analyze the sentence. The plant stopped feeding, principal clause. When it was seeded, subordinate adverb clause. Then why is it adverb clause? Because it is suggesting time. When it was seeded, subordinate adverb clause, modifying the verb stopped feeding. If stop feeding is asked, when did the plant stop feeding? It replies that it was when it was seeded. So it is suggesting time. Next, come to the second sentence. Please write down. When the rain stopped, the rainbow appeared in the sky. Have you written? When the rain stopped, the rainbow appeared in the sky. So the principal number one, the principal clause is the rainbow appeared in the sky. Principal clause. Number two, when the rain stopped. Subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb appeared. When did it appear? Now when the rain stopped. Number three, while we were walking through the dense forest, we saw a venomous snake on a tree. I am repeating. While we were walking through the dense forest, we saw a venomous snake on a tree. Number one, principal clause is we saw a venomous snake on a tree. Number two, while we were walking through the dense forest, subordinate adverb clause. When did we see? কখন আমরা দেখেছিলাম? While we were walking through the dense forest. So, modifying the verb saw in one. Modifying the verb saw in one. Okay? Now come to the fourth sentence. The patient had died before the doctor came. Number one, the patient had died, principal clause. The patient had died, principal clause. Number two, before the doctor came, subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb had died. Modifying the verb হচ্ছে had died. Number 5, the children came out from their shelter. The children came out from their shelter, shelter, after the rain had stopped. Number 1, the children came out from their shelter, principal clause. Number 2, after the rain had stopped, subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb came out in one. এক নম্বর ক্লজে রয়েছে came out. Modifying the verb হচ্ছে came out in one. Number 6, let us wait. Let us wait. Here, H-E-R-E, until the rain stops. Now analyze the sentence. Number 1, let us wait here, principal clause, until the rain stops, subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb wait. Modifying the verb wait. Number 7, there are so many examples. Number 7, do not move till I came back. Do not move till I came back. Number 1, do not move, principal clause. Number 2, till I came back, subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb do not move. Modifying the verb do not move. Number 8. Mr. Ghosh did not talk to me over phone. Write down. Mr. Ghosh did not talk to me over phone since he went to England. Since he went to England. Analyze the sentence. Number 1. Mr. Ghosh did not talk to me over phone. Principal clause. Number 2. Since he went to England. Subordinate adverb clause. Modifying the verb did not talk. Modifying the verb did not talk. Now let us come to the conclusion. An adverb clause of time generally begins with when, while, before, after, till, until, since, etc. And see that all the subordinate clauses are modifying a verb. Therefore, in all the cases, in adverb clause of time, you will see that no specific or particular time is mentioned, but there is a time that is obvious, and the subordinate adverb clause modifies a verb of the principal clause. And ask the verb of the principal clause by when, and it will give you answer, and the answer is subordinate adverb clause. Okay? I am ending my lecture on adverb clause of time.